Trying to install a custom mod for World of Tanks and you've come across an XVM file? This is the configuration backbone of one of the most popular tank battle mods ever created. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and configuring these XVM mod files. We're going to solve this XVM issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below and we will revisit later on. A user with an XVM file is almost certainly a player of the online game World of Tanks. This file is a configuration for the Extended Visualization Mod, XVM, a popular add-on that customizes the game's interface with enhanced player statistics, custom markers, and an improved minimap to gain a tactical advantage. The file is typically a text-based configuration file using a structure similar to JSON, containing key value pairs that control the mod's features. This plain text design was chosen to allow players to easily edit settings with any text editor, fostering a large community of users who create and share custom configurations. If installed, your preferred program for XVM should be the World of Tanks with XVM Mod application by Wargaming Group Limited. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows cannot preview the actual assets, so viewing requires compatible game extraction utilities. Your first troubleshooting move, right-click your XVM file and select Open With. See if World of Tanks with XVM Mod is available and test it. If it is not visible, select a different program. Testing multiple openers is standard practice. If your XVM file will not open yet, do not panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now, let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, installing the XVM mod. Download the XVM mod package from immodxvm.com and extract the archive to your World of Tanks installation directory. The XVM files are placed in the recess/mods folder under the appropriate game version subdirectory. Launch World of Tanks and the XVM mod loads automatically displaying enhanced battle interface elements. Next, editing XVM configuration. Open the XVM configuration files in a text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code, which provide JSON syntax highlighting. Modify parameters to customize damage logs, player panels, and minimap features. Save the file and restart World of Tanks to apply the configuration changes to your in-game interface. Finally, activating your XVM account. Visit the modxvm.com website and activate your XVM account to enable advanced statistics features. The activation links your in-game player ID with the XVM statistics service displaying win rates, efficiency ratings, and tank-specific stats for all players in your battles directly within the game interface. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.